What's up, guys? Back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a self-blowing whistle out of a turbo whistle and a balloon. So first, put the balloon on the side it blows air, like, then air comes out, of course, so you can blow it out. Oh wait, yeah, but first, you're going to have to blow the balloon up first, so. Probably the biggest it'll get. So put it on the side, air blows, and then you run it. And then once that is on, it'll basically it might even fly. Fly, my whistle. But anyway, that was the self-blowing whistle. Pretty loud, but that's louder. But anyway, I will see you later. Bye-bye. If this video, let me tell you something. If this video gets over, let me tell you something. If this video gets over 30 likes, okay, I'm going to be releasing a Vine compilation. I'm going to do a Vine compilation, then another William Gets in Trouble, since those ones were kind of likes. But I will see you later. Bye bye. Like and subscribe as well.